Hi, in this video we are covering Canon 80D, which is one of the best affordable DSLRs used for recording high quality videos. Talking about different parts of the camera, it comes with 18 to 135 Canon lens. This is the AF/MF switcher, using which you can switch from autofocus mode to manual focus and vice versa. The lens has an in-body stabilizer as well, which reduces the shakes or motion blurs in the recording. When you're using a DSLR, you will use manual focus also, and for that there is this focus ring which lets you change the focus. Then you will also want to change the focal length, or you want to zoom in or zoom out of any focus. You can do that by rotating this wider part of the lens. Now this is the mode switcher of your camera. So M is the manual focus, AV is the aperture priority, then TV is the shutter priority. So there are different modes which you can explore, and this is the switch through which you can turn on the camera or turn off the camera. So this is the display or the LCD screen using which you can see the live recording, or you can see whatever the shots you have taken in the gallery, and you can access also the menu. Now that is the viewfinder, and using that switch you can actually press and record or click any photo.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can support this travel and exploration YouTube channel by subscribing to it and sharing it with your friends and family. Thanks so much for watching.